how to hide following list on TikTok. So if you're someone who is on TikTok and you want to hide your following list for whatever reason, it's really easy to do. So go to TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner here. As you see, I'm on mine. And you want to go to the 3 slashes or 3 bars at the top right hand corner here. And then you just want to go down and click on your settings and privacy. Really easy to do. So from this point, you just want to focus on where it says privacy, which is under account, and go ahead and click that. What you can do is hit private account. And what that's going to do is hide your following and your followers. So if you're someone who wants to kind of grow their following, this might not be the option for you, but you can go and specify it even more. So we're going to turn this off, and we can just hit switch, I guess, and that will turn off your private account. And you just want to scroll down until you see where it says following list. And as you see, mine says everyone. You can just go ahead and choose only you. And that is it. Only you will be able to see your following list, not people that follow you. And that's it.